How many of you know that hypertension is not the disease of the adults alone? Most of you have developed in adults a high degree of heart attacks due to your inabilities to notice or to know that hypertension has been with you right from your own childhood. And most of you parents today have been the causes of your offspring's hypertension cases today, due to your own ignorance of knowing or understanding what hypertension is all about. And guess what? Hypertension is not the disease of the elderly alone. There is that type of hypertension called the primary hypertension, which occurs in little children. And there are 4 good causes of children hypertension. And one is premature birth. Children who are prematurely born are at high risk exposed to this hypertension, which is the primary hypertension. And to avoid such kind of hypertension, women who are pregnant should be careful of what they eat, what they drink, and the stresses they passes through while on stage. And number 2 is obesity or overweight. Children who are obese or overweight are at higher risk of developing this primary hypertension. In this case, to avoid this, parents will have to be careful and checking the kind of food they give to their children, which could lead them to obesity or overweight. Get to do regular checking of their own weights as they grow in order to make adjustments on what you feed them with. And number 3 is genetic. Children whose parents has the history of this hypertension, or the grandparent has the history of this hypertension, are at higher risk of developing this primary hypertension. Parents who are found in this category should take note of their children and not to be giving them excessive salt, and do not feed them with sugar sweetened drinks. Do not also allow them to be exhibiting the lifestyle of drunkenness and smoking. And lastly, number 4, other diseases such as heart and liver diseases could lead to children developing this. And while in adults there is a secondary hypertension, there are 4 major causes of this hypertension in adults. And number 1 is age. Mostly at about 55 years of age, men mostly shows the chances of having hypertension over women. And number 2 is lifestyle. Lifestyle such as alcoholism, smoking, such as taking of too much gas found in drinks, and the rest of them gives rise to this hypertension. And number 3 is overweight and obesity. Overweight and obesity can also cause hypertension in elderly persons. And number 4 is excessive taking of sugar and salt, which can lead also to hypertension in elderly persons. For you to stay safe, watch your lifestyle. Say no to drug. Say no to smoking. Say no to excessive weight. Keep every stress at low level. Mentally and physical stress, keep them all at low level. Do have enough sleep when needed. Finally, do have a routine check on BP on your entire family. Remember, your health is your wealth. Let's meet at the comment section for your question and for your contributions. Shalom.